Polyester. This is the main entrance. There's some kind of a dinosaur, as if pumpkins. Main building, main entrance. Okay. This is Swank Farms. This is the entrance.
Ah, gusto mo pa dun yun.
Right.
Mag-picture ka rin.
Yeah.
Mag-picture ha?
Hindi dawa man siya nangihi.
Parang orin, sunod. Ipasok na to.
Yep.
Wala na picture.
Facing
Picture lang
goes.
siya din
There's chicken. That's it. This is the Swank Farm. Right here, Polyester, California. It's a public corner. And then they have this jumping kind of stuff, and those are the pumpkins. Swank Farm.
Waiting for our daughter.
Oh, there's a bus here. What's that? Just for photos. Oh, they have the. They have the goats. See? Right here they have the big goats. They're big goats. They call this place the Swank Farms. And playing, this is the gardens, they call it. There's a chair for photos. And that one there is the like a stage to look at the ponds. Bus stop with this pumpkin. Today is what? October 9. Going to the maze. Maze? Oh, okay. Picture mo dito, Day? That was record. Is it?
Next story.
Oh, is it?
One day in the pumpkin video.
Here he is right there. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, it was recipe. Pumpkin was not round. It was square.
Square.
Kahit man siya nga pumpkin was square. Okay, let's go to number 2 now. Okay, was square man to siya. Halloween was just a day away when I had to start the process.
Oh, that's the one, number 2. Number 3. Number 2 is there. Number 3 is here.
Wait, how do you go right?
That one is number 2. This is number 3. Number 4 is there. We go this way. We go this way. See, I'm back here, and number 4 bill is here. Hey, you just go down round. I went here, and then number 4 is here. The fence gave way. Shortcut. Shortcut.
Suddenly, the fence gave way. The pumpkins rolled off and into the bin.
Maze. They call this the corn maze. I miss number 2. Let's go this way. This is number 5. Number 5. This is number 6. Number 7 is right there. So this one here is number 8. Corn maze.
Oh, he saved the day.
Sitting straight.
He saved the day.
Right then, the family. All the same said ever do.
It's like a story.
We're the most special. Most special naman siya kay we're in the
Old shape. And where is it? Mupalitan na day. We can buy it.
Like in Japan, I think they do that too. They put it in the container or something.
Trato.
Something like that.
Oh, you wanna go this way?
I don't know.
I don't know.
One person going this way, one person going
Yeah.
this way.
I don't know, they're going both ways. The mother and daughter. So I just videoed them. Daughter and son is there. Grandmother is here. And you are shaking your head.
You know, it's all the way. Yeah.
Funny.
Going somewhere, then you have to make sure you know where the bathroom's at.
I go follow him.
Well, tell her to go this way then.
Yeah, okay. Number 9 eh?
12.
Oh, number 12. Number 9 is there.
Well, number 1. Nakita na nila.
Oh, the end. This is the end.
At the
I
end,
know the story of how Swank grew.
and I know, you know the story of how it's supposed to grow. Maybe someday you'll tell someone to, and you'll go tell someone, who'll go tell another, and maybe one day you will discover you can judge a book or a pumpkin, but
It's cover. Wow, the end. Shortcut eh. Okay.
The end.
We want to go back here? Dili te. Balik ta te.
Hindi sila manadiri.
Yeah. No. Ikaw.
Sila ba? Sama to.
Ikaw pa.
Nagpa-picture si Dike sa number 10. Nagpa-picture si Dike sa number 10 sa iyang cellphone.
Okay, good. Where's number 10?
Ano? Number 10.
Okay.
You found the number 11, Dike?
No.
Grandma is the number of
Grandma went to the end. Number 12. She goes direct to the end.
What was not entire birthday square.
Just like that.
The number 2, the other side.
Where's number 20? Here.
Oh, hindi ka sa picture niya in the mason. Picture
Sa Monday. Sige, stand up there.
Dike kami.
Okay.
There you go.
He wants to do that.
Oh, you want someone to race? You
Yep.
want to get over and race it?
Yeah.
Picture daw si...
Day. Gusto nyo dapat diha deh. Kuhaan niya. Picture mo.
Kung ano mo nagbara ko yan? I-click na.
Sige, kanak ka.
Yeah, that's working. Huh? What do you mean it's not working?
Let me try it. There's a break.
Wala nag-work.
Well, no break. It's just stop. Like that.
Padaplin lang na siya na makaagi si Dike.
Sabihin mo, o kasi o. Oh.
Go. That's it. Right. Get in there and see if you can do that.
No, it's not working. Anak lang ibalhin rin.
Oh, this
Naman na lang kailang sunflower.
Dicky is like enjoying that.
Only one is working.
The other one is working also, but not, this one is really not.
Gotta have to put something on it to get it going for whatever reason.
Wait. Go. Oh. It's not going. Oh, it goes inside. Slide on a hill. And DK is there. Yep. Oh, see? Yeah, even the boy, you see? It goes to the side.
That's not that.
Oh, nice.
When we said, are you going to go down together? And they're like, yes.
See, even the other side. Good. You got it.
Siguro na delete level.
And there are chickens here. Yep. Oh, chickens. Oh. Okay. Chicken hatching eggs, so they have a small box. See that? This is the racing pig.
Those are Filipino pigs. Those over there, take here, there's an American pig. Big difference. Okay.
Is it? I don't know. And they also have chickens, right?
Filipino pig.
Yeah, there's no mercy. You know what I mean? They're far
That's
down.
just like
Pig.
That's why we
Race.
can run again. They get used to it. You guys have food or milk for them? Right now. That way, when they come out, they have the food.
Yeah. Can we come out here?
Brandon, we don't put the food out until we're done racing.
Gather round, gather round! Big races are about to begin.
Why don't you say that then? Do the chase him. I don't want to chase him. If you don't really want to do it, just say it then. Say it. You're the youngest here. The youngest.
I hit leg down, but I'm so better for that.
I know, but say your feet.
Get ready! Our baby pigs are ready for their second race. Here we go. Pig races are about to begin. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. Oh, yes.
Let's go!
They're like lazy pigs. The pigs are lazy, they're tired. Six pigs. Goats at the Swank Farm. One is resting on top. Others are fed. They're feeding with this. Okay. Pumpkins. Okay.
It's right there.
Pumpkins. So that's what it is.
I'm the last one standing.
Yeah. Oh yes. This is enjoyment. That's video short.
Okay, go.
Second row.
You're gonna record. Okay, stop.
Yeah, I just take a photo. Tomatoes on the side. Look at this. The fruits are dropping. We're going to the sunflower garden. And this one is watermelon. No, not watermelon. What's that, Day? Cantaloupe? Cantaloupe? Okay. Got it. And this is the sunflower.
Here daw.
What is it?
Dito na, okay.
Go right here. You.
I don't have the phone.
You go right here.
I go right here. Take a picture.
This is the sunflower. Oh. This is like a bee eating the
That's the bees. The picture.
taking wait taking the sunflower. Look at this.
That's that. Ayaw mo na ko ng sa mga bees, no? Sunflower.
Yep, that's it. Sunflower. See the bees. Whoa.
There, more bees here.
I'll choose the pumpkin and the watermelon. You pay 3 for 10. Yep. Whoa. Round 2.
Take me a photo.
Yep. Oh, there. Wait a second. Oh, where is it? No, it goes back. Get here.
Name.
Oh, for the corn. Whoa! One more. Pumpkin.